Are you a government employee looking to secure your financial future? If so, you've come to the right place. Financial planning is a crucial aspect of ensuring that you have a solid foundation for your retirement and beyond. As a government employee, you may have unique benefits and considerations when it comes to managing your finances. In this video, we will explore the benefits of financial planning for government employees and provide some valuable tips on how to plan for your financial future. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. What are the benefits of financial planning for government employees? Government employees have the advantage of job security and often receive competitive salaries and benefits. However, these perks can sometimes lead to complacency when it comes to financial planning. That's where the benefits of financial planning for government employees come into play. Having a well-thought-out financial plan allows government employees to make informed decisions about their money. By setting clear goals and creating a budget, they can prioritize their spending and ensure that they are saving enough for their future needs. Another benefit is that financial planning helps government employees take advantage of all the retirement options available to them. Whether it's contributing to a pension plan or maximizing contributions to a 401k or other retirement account, proper planning ensures that they are making the most of these opportunities. Furthermore, by engaging in financial planning early on in their careers, government employees can enjoy the power of compounding interest. This means that over time, even small contributions can grow significantly due to the effects of compound growth. In addition, having a solid financial plan provides peace of mind. It allows government employees to feel confident about their finances and be prepared for unexpected circumstances such as medical emergencies or job loss. Financial planning empowers government employees by giving them control over their money and ensuring that they have a secure future ahead. So why not take charge today? Start your journey towards financial stability by creating a comprehensive plan tailored specifically for you. How can government employees plan for their financial future? Government employees have unique financial considerations that require careful planning for their future. Here are some key steps they can take to plan for their financial well-being. 1. Evaluate your current financial situation. Start by assessing your income, expenses, and debt. This will help you understand your financial standing and identify areas where you can make improvements. 2. Set clear goals. Determine what you want to achieve financially in the short term and long term. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house or planning for retirement, having specific goals will give you direction and motivation. 3. Create a budget. Develop a realistic budget based on your income and expenses. Allocate funds to cover essential needs, savings, debt repayment, and discretionary spending. 4. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected surprises, so it's crucial to establish an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This will provide a safety net during challenging times without relying on credit cards or loans. 5. Maximize retirement contributions. Take advantage of any retirement plans offered by your employer such as 401k or pension schemes. Contribute as much as possible towards these accounts to ensure a secure future when you retire. 6. Invest wisely. Consider investing in low-cost index funds or diversified portfolios that match your risk tolerance and long-term objectives. This can help grow wealth over time while minimizing risks associated with individual stock picking. 7. Seek professional advice if needed. Financial planning can be complex, especially when considering taxes and government benefits available exclusively to government employees. Consulting with a certified financial planner who specializes in working with public servants could provide invaluable guidance tailored specifically for your circumstances. By following these steps diligently, government employees can chart their own path towards achieving financial stability both now and in the years ahead. What are some things to consider when financial planning for retirement? When it comes to financial planning for retirement, government employees have some unique considerations to keep in mind. Here are a few important factors to consider when mapping out your retirement plan. 1. Pension and benefits. As a government employee, you may be entitled to a pension or other benefits upon retirement. It's crucial to understand the details of your pension plan, including eligibility criteria, payout options, and any post-retirement healthcare coverage. Take the time to review these benefits and factor them into your overall financial plan. 2. Social Security. While most government employees do not pay into Social Security during their careers, some may have worked other jobs where they contributed. Understanding how Social Security will impact your retirement income is essential for effective financial planning. 3. Savings and investments. In addition to pensions and benefits, it's important for government employees to save and invest for their future independently. Consider options like 401k plans or individual retirement accounts, IRAs, as vehicles for growing your savings over time. 4. Healthcare costs. Healthcare expenses can be significant in retirement, especially as we age. Make sure you budget accordingly by considering Medicare premiums, supplemental insurance costs, prescription medications, and potential long-term care needs. 5. Inflation. Inflation erodes purchasing power over time. Therefore, accounting for inflation is crucial while planning for retirement finances. Be mindful that prices tend to rise gradually over time, so adjusting your projected expenses upwards can help ensure you don't outlive your savings. By taking these key considerations into account when financial planning for retirement as a government employee, you can better prepare yourself financially once you leave the workforce. Conclusion. Financial planning is crucial for government employees to secure their financial future. By taking the time to create a comprehensive plan, government employees can enjoy numerous benefits and peace of mind. One of the key advantages of financial planning for government employees is the ability to maximize their retirement savings. Through strategic investments and proper budgeting, they can ensure that they have enough funds to support themselves during their golden years. Additionally, financial planning allows government employees to set realistic goals and prioritize their expenses accordingly. This ensures that they are able to meet both short-term needs and long-term aspirations, such as buying a house or sending children to college. When it comes to retirement planning specifically, there are several factors that government employees should consider. First and foremost, understanding the various pension options available is essential. They should explore whether taking a lump sum payment or opting for monthly annuity payments would be more beneficial in their unique situation. Government employees also need to factor in healthcare costs when planning for retirement. Medicare may cover some medical expenses but not all, so having additional insurance coverage or setting aside funds specifically for healthcare is important. Diversifying investment portfolios is crucial for mitigating risk and maximizing returns over time. Government employees should work with financial advisors who specialize in helping them navigate through different investment opportunities while considering any restrictions imposed by their employer's retirement plans. In conclusion, not using these words, financial planning offers numerous benefits for government employees looking towards a secure financial future. By prioritizing saving strategies like budgeting wisely, investing smartly across various assets classes including stocks, bonds, real estate, etc., understanding pension options, comparing them against one another carefully, ensuring adequate healthcare coverage either through employer-sponsored programs or personal policies, diversifying investments according specific needs based on individual circumstances, preferences. These steps will ultimately leading towards achieving long-term goals without compromising current lifestyle priorities. So take charge today, start paving way tomorrow.